Today we had a lot of great folks from across all of our offices get together to try and solve a problem using AI for one of our real life customers.
Welcome everyone to Hackathon 2. The goal of this hackathon is to build the next big FleetPulse feature, kind of take that to the next level.
AI is hot, generative AI is the new thing, so when Jet provided kind of the idea of this hackathon, we were excited. We're like, all right. When we think about the FleetPulse product, we've been adding things over time. It gives you GPS, you can integrate it to a door sensor so you can tell if the door is opening or closing. People want to know what was in their trailer, so we now have imaging solutions. We're just continuing to add new solutions and new offerings for our customers, and so the data is thick and it's big. So this is going to be challenging. Have at it, get crazy, and let's have some fun here.
I'm building a chatbot right now that can talk about text, images, table information, trying to build something where I can actually talk to it and have it talk back to me. So it's like completely a voice modality.
So I'm a data engineer. My role is going to be trying to understand the data, ingest it, store it, see how it needs to be transformed to feed into maybe some of the dashboards and models we're building out.
So my role on the hackathon team is to think about the pitch. But tomorrow we've got the jury and we have to make our case that we've got the best value drivers, the best problem statement, and the best go-to-market strategy. I'm thinking big picture here with my Apple Vision Pro, I'll tell you that much.
So this tool makes it so that the driver has a live view of everything that's going on in the trailer. Now what's awesome about this is the front end, but on the back end, the other personas, it's like they're riding shotgun with the driver without any of the backseat driving. Because not only can they see the dashboard, they also have a chatbot that they can speak to, so they can ask it whatever they want, and it will find the answer they're looking for live without having to click through a bunch of dashboards and menus.
To win our hackathons, you have to have an idea that's not only cool, but has value. And that value can either be for the company itself or for the customers to consume the product. As long as you consider that and your actual pitch is well structured, you'll do fine.
The hackathon's been great. We have technical people, product people, idea people, hands-on keyboards people, all coming together to come up with the best idea in the span of 24 hours. Well, actually, I think probably more like 18 hours.
What was really cool is we started late last night here in the US, broke down the work among each other, and then even recorded a video for our teammates overseas so that when they woke up in the morning and they saw the queue of work, they understood the business context. And then when we woke up today, the majority of the work was done, and it was just some fine tuning and focusing more on what's the business value and how do we tell this story.
What we focused on was really the users here. There's tons of tech, there's tons of AI, but tech is only as good as the user's willingness to use it.
I'm gonna let this visual sink in a little bit.
With the introduction of Fleet Genie, we estimate about a 15% reduction in downtime.
Fleet Aid helps address predictive maintenance and not just saying, hey, this is breaking right now, but say this typically breaks in this time frame.
This is where we would inject Fleet Aid, augmenting the available data, and then you interact with Fleet Aid in a prompt and response that can be actionized.
So the winner today is Fleet Aid. You guys did a really good job with a well-rounded solution and presentation. I think the different levels of the solution that you showed, we talked about the architecture, how it's working at the bottom layer. We really loved all of that. So congratulations to Fleet Aid and everyone. This was really cool to see.
Brian has a speech prepared.
Yeah,
He's been waiting his whole life for this moment.
I thought this was fantastic that it was able to give everybody a chance to shine and collaborate. I think it was an excellent experience and look forward to doing this again.
I think there are a lot of good ideas that came out of this hackathon. I think it's just good for the general larger team to understand what's possible. If you get enough people together, the collective thought process going, a lot of great ideas and insights can come about it, and then we of course have the technical know-how to actually execute on it.
I mean, they had less than 24 hours. They did not have domain expertise. First time they saw the data and environments, and within 24 hours able to prioritize, show a sense of urgency, come together as a team, and actually build working products. I think that is what we strive for, is not doing work, but finding value, solving problems, and doing it quickly and in a fun way.